Hi everyone, Cassia here. So I wanted to hop on real quick and tell you about a fabulous product line that we carry. It's called the Go Set. All right. So if you have been wanting to try out a new product line for your skin, but you aren't ready to make the full price investment until you know what's truly right for you, this is exactly what you want to take a look at, right? The Go Set is a trial and travel sized product line, perfect for trying out before you buy. It is a 30-day supply of our 3 top lines, 3 different sets, right? And we are going to take a look at it today. So again, if you're wanting to try a line before you make the decision of what is right for you, or if you travel a lot and you want to be able to take your full collection of skincare without taking up precious space in your bag, this is what you want to take a look at, right? So the Go Sets come in our Clear Proof line, as well as the TimeWise Miracle Set 3D and our TimeWise Repair line. So we're going to start by taking a look at the Clear Proof line. So this is the size of the box here for the Clear Proof set, and it comes with your 4 ingredients that come in your main set, right? You're going to start out with the clarifying cleansing gel. That is a 1-ounce bottle. And then you've of course got your blemish control toner, and that is a 0.9 ounce. And then your oil-free moisturizer, again a 1 ounce. And last but certainly not least is the acne treatment gel. Right? So those are all the items that come in the Clear Proof Go Set. Next up is the TimeWise Miracle Set 3D. Now, just like the regular Miracle Set 3D that has both a normal to dry formula and a combination to oily formula, both of them come in the Go Sets as well. All right, so we're going to take a look at these here. In the Go Set, you have your Age Minimize 3D 4-in-1 cleanser. Then you have your Age Minimize 3D Day Cream with SPF 30. You also have your Age Minimize Night Cream, as well as the Age Minimize Eye Cream. So again, your whole collection there in a nice trial travel size. And last but certainly not least is the TimeWise Repair Volu-Firm Go Set, right? In this, you've got 5 products, right? You're going to start with your Volu-Firm Foaming Cleanser. And then you, of course, have your Volu-Firm Day Cream with SPF 30. Okay. Next up is your Volu-Firm Lifting Serum, your Volu-Firm Night Cream with Retinol, and last but not least, your Volu-Firm Eye Renewing Cream. All right, ladies, so those are the fabulous Go Sets. I will leave the link to my website below, as well as to my Mary Kay partner, Tasha. You can shop with whoever you would like if you're ready to. And if you have questions, be sure to drop them in the comments below and we will answer them as quickly as we can. Don't forget to give this video a like. And if you have somebody in your life who is looking for a new skincare regime, share the video with them. Be sure to share the love of Mary Kay, all right? And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you can see all of the fabulous products that Mary Kay has to offer. Have a fabulous day. Bye.